Let's go to Dwight De Leon. He's at a precinct in San Pablo, Laguna, where gubernatorial aspirant Sol Aragones is set to cast her ballot. Dwight, what can you tell us?
Yes, hello, Maria. Nakapasok lang ni former Congresswoman Sol Aragones dito sa isa sa mga classrooms dito sa San Lucas 1 Elementary School. Higit isang oras na siyang nakapila dito sa eskwelang to. Maraming nakapilang mga botante dahil gusto nilang bumoto na yung 2025 election. Kanina nakausap natin ng saglit si former Congresswoman Sol. Meron siyang secured siya this time. May calculated sense of confidence. She talked about how different she ran this campaign for the gubernatorial race kumpara noong 2022. Remember, noong 2022, former Congresswoman Sol also tried to clinch the gubernatorial post but lost by more than 200,000 votes. It was still a strong showing for the former Congresswoman, but it was not enough to unseat the longtime governor of the province, Governor Ramil Hernandez, who at the time was seeking his third and final term. Siya ay nakakuha ng higit 850,000 votes in that election. Sabi rin kanina ng mga nakausap nating staff ni former Congresswoman Sol ay kumpara noong nakaraan, nakapaglibot-libot si former Congresswoman sa maraming bayan lungsod ng Laguna kumpara noong 2022 kung saan nagdeklara lamang si former Congresswoman Sol ng kanyang kandidatura less than a year heading to election day. Maliban pa doon, kasi katulad nga ng sinabi ko, mahaba yung pila dito sa San Lucas 1 Elementary School. It's because, una, marami yung mga botante. At the same time, yung mga senior citizens, medyo matagal bumoto kumpara sa mga regular voters. So, yun yung isa sa mga realities na kailangan nating i-consider for election day. So sa mga pipila, konting tiyaga, konting pasensya dahil may mga botante na talagang takes them longer time to vote. At the same time, Maria, may isang presinto dito na nagkaroon ng kaunting aberya sa automated counting machine earlier today. Sabi ng mga nakausap natin, yung machine nire-reject yung balota multiple times. So they had to call in a DESO technical support staff na mabilis namang masikaso kung kaya't na-fix yung machine. Although, still, it took some voters, nakausap natin, it took them more than 2 hours. 6 a.m. pa sila nandito, but it took them around 8:30 a.m. before they were able to cast their ballot. Later, we're hoping to interview former Congresswoman Sol Aragones more to talk about how confident she is on election day and if she has any regrets running this campaign. Aside from a congresswoman or former Congresswoman Sol, may tatlo siyang kalaban for the gubernatorial race here in Laguna. Si Santa Rosa, Laguna Congressman Dan Fernandez, we know him as one of the faces of the House Quad Committee investigating the anomalies that took place under the administration of former President Rodrigo Duterte. He is in Santa Rosa casting his ballot. He was scheduled to cast his ballot around 9 a.m. although I'm not sure if mahaba rin ba yung pila sa Santa Rosa. Kaninang around 5:30 a.m. we were told that Vice Governor Karen Agapay was also set to cast her ballot in one of the schools here in San Pablo. Vice Governor Karen is also from the same locality as Sol Aragones. So in terms of bailiwick, yun yung isa sa mga question marks, because ang labanan dito sa Laguna, labanan ng Baluarte yan, Maria. Si Ruth Hernandez is from Calamba, is from Bayo, so she is expected to be strong in the second district. Si Dan Fernandez is expected to be competitive in Santa Rosa, pero itong San Pablo, itong third district, parehas nandito sina Vice Governor Karen Agapay at saka si former Congresswoman Sol Aragones. So the question is, mahati ba yung boto dito sa San Pablo at sa third district? At the same time, may iba pang congressional districts up for grabs. For example, yung Binyan, yung first district, yung fourth district of Laguna. So yun yung aabangan natin heading to the canvassing, pag-closing of polls later. We were told that the Sol Aragones staff is expecting results around 10 p.m. today. So we're going to check if mabilis nga yung magiging bilangan at saka canvassing ng mga balota dito sa probinsya ng Laguna.